The HP 206X Compatible Toner Cartridge by CMYBabee is equipped with built-in chips, simplifying the installation process. This toner cartridge pack includes 4 high-yield cartridges in black, cyan, yellow, and magenta, ensuring you have a complete set for your printing needs. With an impressive page yield of up to 3,150 pages for black toner and 2,450 pages for color toner, it is ideal for high-volume printing. These cartridges are compatible with several HP Color Laserjet Pro models, including MFP M283fdw, M283cdw, M283fdn, M282ndw, M25dw, and M25ndw. The CMYBabee toner cartridges promise premium quality prints with sharp text and vibrant colors, setting a higher standard for your printing tasks. Manufactured by CMYBabee, this toner cartridge set is designed to deliver reliable and consistent performance, making it a great choice for both home and office use.